I've been dealing with these issues for many years, probably since high school, even before high school. I grew up not being able to see a dentist regularly, but I had very brittle teeth. I had medical problems growing up, and that caused that. So my teeth would break easily, so I had a hard time eating sometimes. Drinking cold water or going out in cold air, it was very hard for me.
Jenna came here with, I guess the main motivator for her was pain and appearance. She wasn't happy at all with her smile. She wasn't smiling at all. Kind of covered her mouth when she would talk to you, and you could tell she was self-conscious about the way she looked. And really pretty girl with just, broken up teeth. I think what the real motivator for her to get treatment was pain, and pain's what got her started.
The transition for me was when I started working at a cosmetic dentist office, where I would see people walk in and out of the door so happy, and they would smile really big because they had all these changes, and you could see what Dr. Porter had done for them, and I wanted that. I wanted to be able to smile like that. Dr. Porter took one look at me, and we consulted, and he said, I know that I can make a huge transformation for you, and I knew that he could.
After I sat down with Jenna, we determined she needed a complete reconstructive fix for her upper arch and lower arch. We embarked on that. Crowns, veneers, really reconstructive work on her whole upper arch, root canals, removed some teeth that were unfixable, took out impacted wisdom teeth, endodontic treatment, complete restorative.
I was a single mom of 2 kids, a 10-year-old and an 8-year-old, and I had no confidence in myself. I never thought that I would be able to go out and meet someone or, be happy again. When I look in the mirror, I see somebody who loves herself and who's now confident. Somebody who was completely insecure now wants to smile.
Getting patients back to optimal oral health is what brings us in every day. I think changing smiles and changing lives, it's such a rewarding thing to do when folks are more confident every day. I mean, your smile is your calling card. With Jenna, she has changed her personality based on what happened with her smile, for the better.
This procedure has completely changed my life. It has made me extremely confident.